Safety talk number 92. Storage and handling of hand tools. Of all the equipment we use every day, common hand tools are the most useful and the most often misused. Most of us have at home a hammer, a screwdriver or two, a pair of pliers, and maybe a file or chisel. We keep them in a box, use them rarely, and after years, they still look almost new. That mindset does not apply here. In our workplace, here, tools are used intensely, and misuse often leads to poor quality work and personal injuries. Let's review. For essential rules for using hand tools safely. Rule 1: choose the right tool. What would you say if someone was on a ladder, hammering a nail into the wall with the handle of an axe? You'd probably tell them to use a hammer. Now imagine using a small wrench for a large nut and extending it with a pipe. This adds too much force. The wrench can break. If you're on a ladder, you could fall. And yes, accidents like that have been fatal. Rule 2: check tool condition. Don't use damaged tools. Report them instead. You wouldn't use a hammer with the head falling off every swing. But many people use tools with slight looseness. That's even more dangerous. If their head suddenly flies off, someone could get hurt. Even a small crack in a tool can become a serious hazard in an instant. Rule 3: use tools correctly. If you're unsure how, ask for help. Let's take a simple example. Using a screwdriver to join two pieces of wood held in one hand. The pieces move. The hand shakes. The screwdriver slips. It could easily stab your palm or wrist. Always secure your work. Always stabilize your hands. Rule 4: store and transport tools safely. Keep tools in a box where you can clearly see them without having to dig around. Some tools have burrs or sharp edges that can cause cuts. If you're carrying tools without a box, protect sharp points and keep them away from your body. If you're carrying too many tools for your hands, don't use pockets or belts. Get a proper toolbox. Follow these for basic rules. Use the right tools. Inspect them. Handle them safely. And store them properly. Your hands and your coworkers will thank you.